Everybody, Black Limited X here. We got a brand new video for you guys. Check it out. What's going on, everybody? It's Black Limited X here, and today we have a brand new video for you guys. In fact, it is my very first video. As you see, we got the Black Limited X here in the back, looking beautiful as ever in that black pearl coat. Oh my goodness! I need to get it washed, but we'll do that on a later day. It's a little cold out here. Today we're going to be shooting, or installing rather, a couple interior mods. There's maybe 2 things missing, but we'll get those in later and I'll update you guys with that video. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that today, and then we're gonna have fun. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, jumping into the Limited X here. Because it's cold, we're gonna go ahead and get started up. Put your foot on the brake, push the button, fires right up. All right, now what we're doing today is nothing too crazy. Actually, it's pretty simple, but I feel like it gives the car a nice touch. We're gonna cut that down so we can hear. Let me cut it off. Turn the heated seats on. That's why I love these new vehicles. Yeah, but we have a steering wheel cover. It's like a sticker. There's some 3M adhesive on the back here. You just peel the backing off, and it's gonna sit right on top, just like that. Okay, and then we have another piece here, which is basically the cup holder and the gear selector and the different drive modes. The shifter goes through there, and it's also carbon fiber. And there's another piece as well for the hidden compartment down here. And the same concept, 3M on the back, and it just sticks. Now, I had a buddy of mine recommend that I also get extra 3M tape for. Basically, he was saying like it might not be as strong, so if you guys want, if you can, maybe just get an extra thing of 3M tape on the side that you can have in case you need to stick that on there. Also today we are installing paddle shifters. Now, they usually, from what I could find online, I've pretty much only seen 3 colors: the reds, the blue, and I found these silver ones. Me personally, for my vehicle, for my truck rather, I wanted to do a yellow scheme. So I was going to do the yellow caliper covers. I was going to do yellow paddle shifters. I have some stickers, some window decals promoting my Instagram page, Black Limited X, coming either Tuesday or Wednesday. But those will be in here, and those are yellow as well. We got those, and also just a simple phone mount. It's a magnetized mount from Spigen. Am I saying that right? Anyways, we have this. So we actually, I can't show you that right now, which, you know what, I actually will be able to. I'll just have to edit this in later. But because I use my phone to record my content, so I won't be able to actually show you the phone case, because I bought a phone case. And these come with magnets. I didn't know that. It didn't say it in the product description, unless it did and I just wasn't paying attention. But you open the package up here. It comes with the phone, the vent clip, and it comes with magnets that you put inside of any compatible, drop the instructions, but whatever, any compatible case from Spigen. If you get any of their cases that are compatible with the magnets, then this came with them. So I ended up buying a pack of magnets separately, which, I mean, no biggie. They're not super expensive, so you know, whatever. They're just extras now. But so those are nice. It comes with the magnet, and it comes with an actual clear protector, so you don't get scratched up or damaged. So we're gonna toss that back in there. And then here is the actual phone clip. It feels rugged. It feels sturdy. It's a nice design. It's rubberized here on the front. Nice design. It's got little, I don't know if you might can see that, but there's little carbon fiber accents, you know, along the side of it. So that's pretty nice. And then it's really grippy, really strong holder on the back here. So we're gonna go ahead and unclose this vent. I'm gonna stick this right on there. Voila, simple as that. The next thing we're gonna do is paddle shifters. So take these out. Like I said, these also come with a little strip of 3M adhesive as well. So what you do is peel it off from that side, and then you pull the red off of that side. So we're actually going to and there we go. And then voila, you got paddle shifters. Yeah, these feel really nice. They feel great. They look amazing. And like I said, you know, matching with the interior. You know, obviously blue or red would have looked good as well, but it would have stood out. And that wasn't the color scheme I was going for. But yeah, these look awesome. These look amazing. They really make the steering wheel pop and stand out now. I love these. I highly thumbs up. I suggest you get them. These are awesome. And they look great. For the next part, we're going to install the steering wheel vinyl sticker wrap, whatever it is you want to call this thing. It actually feels, it's not a sticker, because a sticker, you know, slim or whatever. It's actually like a ABS type of plastic maybe. But it feels firm, it feels well made. Line it up here. Make sure it fits. It should. There we go. You got to tuck it behind the steering wheel, behind the airbag like that. So it'll look and it'll sit like that. And again, this looks awesome. It is really going to make the steering wheel pop. It looks great once we get that. So yeah, we're going to take this back off. Again, it has the 3M tape. So now this especially, the 3M on this is very thin and slim, so this I can maybe seeing you needing to replace for further for future reference, because this is extremely thin. So we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, yeah, it's not sticking as well as I would like it to. I'm gonna give it a day to see how well this holds up, because yeah, it's not as strong. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna take it off. Yeah, see, I'm going to add some tape to the siding here for both sides, and this material is the same on the steering wheel, so it should stick to it. I'm going to apply, yes, that's not sticking at all. So there we go, much better. Oh my goodness. Now I didn't put any on the top because this is a lot thinner than the bottom portion, so it'll be a little uneven, a little off. But yeah, but this bottom half is in fact sticking very well, so you will not have any problems with that whatsoever. You got that better adhesive on there, so it's a much better fit and feel. So again, the steering wheel looks absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful with that carbon fiber overlay and those silver shifter extensions. Now I will add 3M to this. Once I get home, I'll just do it off camera so I can get a much finer cut of the actual tape. Having to pull it, you know, just to rip it apart, that's making it a lot more difficult. So I will be just doing that off camera and just giving it a little touch up in this area here. So that will be done later. So voila. Alright, for this next section we are actually going to be oh, Dr. Pepper. We're going to be installing this middle section here and this privacy shelf here. Take these out, put that to the side. Again, these look absolutely amazing, and they feel very well made. That carbon fiber, it actually almost kind of looks 3D. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it looks gorgeous. Like, this is, they did good. Yeah, they did real good with this. I don't know what the hell that is. Put that in this bag. Alright, we're gonna install this piece first here. It just sits over the bottom portion. There we go. I will suggest that before installing this, see, this isn't a hard plastic, this isn't glass, obviously. This isn't a hard plastic or glass. So I would advise that you all pre-bend this before you install it, and then put it on, and then press it on there, because it does not come bent. It comes flat and straight. That piece is done. Still press the button to open and close it. Still open and closes properly. So now we're gonna do the bottom piece here. Line it up. Press down. Make sure everything stays even. Press down. But yeah, this looks great. I'm happy with these products. The steering wheel product, again, like I said, I'm going to off camera properly cut some 3M to put on this top half so it's not wobbly like that. And the same thing over here, but that'll be no biggie. But yeah, that's everything. We have the, is that everything? Yeah. And I have a couple more pieces coming. There's going to be some more carbon fiber overlay for the actual knob of the drive mode selector. The knob, there's a carbon fiber overlay that's going to go on top of that, and on the sides of my actual gear shifter. On the side walls here of it, there's going to be some carbon overlays for that. That should be coming Monday. I won't record video for that, but I will just show you guys pictures and after the product is actually on there. Once they come in. But this turned out very well. I'm really loving these paddle shifters. I wish, see, this is why I wish there was more of a market for them, because I'm doing a carbon fiber interior. I wish these were carbon fiber. Now, I could get them hydro dipped. I can send them to a company, have them hydro dip them, and that would solve that problem. But I don't really care that much. It still looks nice for what the interior is. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, even dislike, whatever you need to do, that's fine. But thank you guys again for watching, and catch you on the next video.